So I have my scene controller set up so it is controlling the dimmer switch and the GE switch. This is the Leviton VRCS4 and it's on the VeraEdge using the UI7, and this works fine, you know, for the most part. Turn on the light, you know, the LED comes on, can turn it off. You know, doing these one at a time, everything works as it should, and it always does. I can dim that light, can turn on the last light, and then I have this button set up to turn on all the lights I have here, and then you can see all the LEDs come on, so that's good. But if I keep playing with this, you'll find a set of combinations that doesn't seem to work, and I'm just going to run through these until I find one that acts strange. That didn't take long. So here we go. I just turned off that top light, the internal load, and the light didn't go off. So I find that highly annoying. It will somewhat correct itself, but if you're using these as indicators for the lights, then you want them to be correct. And you know, you can see it eventually did go and change, but that sure took a long time. And see, it's a little bit confused here. You can see that these two LEDs are not on, the first one and the fourth one, and they should all be on at this point. I'm going to wait a little bit to see if it comes back, because it did before. So it doesn't look like it. And this is odd, because now you can't turn that light off, because it's... But since I did that, I guess it woke up the Vera and said, oh, I better change the lights. So now I can turn it off. So that particular one seems to be causing Vera trouble in understanding to turn these two lights on. So it seems somewhat random, because I have another switch and it does something similar, but not with these two lights. It's the third light that it does it with, and I don't know what causes it to do this. So I actually took it upon myself to control lights with LUAP code, and that's a little bit more advanced, and I might show you how to do that in another video. But this is one thing you want to be aware of, that sometimes this thing doesn't quite get the lights correct at all times, so it can be somewhat annoying.